The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 4090 is a powerful graphics card designed primarily for gaming and professional graphics workloads. While it excels in rendering high-resolution graphics for games and applications, its performance for YouTube specifically would be exceptional in terms of video playback and rendering capabilities. Smooth 4K and 8K playback. The GTX 4090 can effortlessly handle 4K and even 8K video playback on YouTube without any stuttering or buffering issues. This is particularly useful for users with high-resolution displays who want to enjoy content in its full detail. Video rendering and editing. Content creators who use YouTube for uploading videos will benefit greatly from the GTX 4090's rendering performance. It can significantly reduce the time required for rendering high-definition and even 4K videos, making the workflow smoother and more efficient. Hardware acceleration. Many modern graphics cards, including the GTX 4090, support hardware acceleration for video decoding and encoding. This means tasks like uploading videos to YouTube or watching high-resolution videos are handled more efficiently, reducing CPU load and improving overall system responsiveness. Streaming capabilities. For users who stream their gaming sessions or create live content for YouTube, the GTX 4090's powerful GPU ensures smooth encoding of live streams in high resolutions, maintaining video quality without impacting gaming performance. VR and 360-degree videos. With its robust performance, the GTX 4090 can handle VR content and 360-degree videos on YouTube with ease, providing a seamless and immersive viewing experience. In summary, the GTX 4090 is not only capable of delivering outstanding gaming performance but also excels in tasks related to content creation and consumption on platforms like YouTube, thanks to its high-end GPU architecture and efficient video processing capabilities.